Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the wallpaper chooser immediately. Don't go to unrelated settings. Long press an empty area on your home screen, then tap Wallpapers or Styles and Wallpapers. Once the chooser appears, select Live Wallpapers or the App folder where Custom Live Wallpapers live. Make sure the wallpaper you'll pick supports home screen only mode if you want that. You're now ready to preview choices. Proceed to selection, so you can tweak animation and settings in the next step. Now you pick the live wallpaper and inspect the preview so you know how it behaves. Tap Preview, and while watching the animation, change available options like speed, particle density, and touch reactions. These choices affect battery and performance. Once satisfied, choose whether to apply it to the home screen only or both home and lock screens. Make sure to allow any permission requests the wallpaper app asks for, like storage or camera, because without them, some effects won't display correctly. Finish by tapping Set Wallpaper and return to your home screen to verify the animation runs smoothly. Move between pages and tap the screen to confirm touch effects work. If the wallpaper looks static, don't panic. Make sure battery saver or low power mode is off. Confirm the wallpaper app has needed permissions, and verify the wallpaper is compatible with your Android version. If it still fails, restart your phone or reinstall the wallpaper app. These steps resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.